Hey guys, Riding Humboldt County. Just got my drone in the mail yesterday. I'm pretty stoked. Got the batteries all charged up. I just need to pair it with my phone and get out there and practice with it. So yeah, that's the good note. The bad note is that I got home and I tried to go onto YouTube to comment on some videos of people that I'm subscribed to, and I'm getting a HTTP error 500 message that won't let me leave comments. So, if you could please leave a comment on this video, if you have any knowledge of it and what I should do to fix that problem, I'd really appreciate it. I don't even know if I can answer back. I probably can't. I've tried from my computer and my phone, and I'm not having any luck. So, anyways, okay, hope you guys are all having a great day. Thanks for watching, and if you can help me out with that, I'd appreciate it. Bye-bye.